You know, to understand the magnitude of this project and how high up above the water we're working, I could tell you, but I'd rather show you. So I want you to see this wall is 6 foot. This wall is over 6 foot. And that's what it looks like. One fall, and that says it all. That's outdoor living.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are cranking. Look at this gorgeous cap that we put on. This is actually not a traditional cap. We would not normally use this, but this is a very special application for a very special family. And this wall had failed before, literally into the lake. At least one time. Somebody said maybe 2 times. So anyways, this wall was whoop, 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 like
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
this is my GoPro angle. I mean, this is like the Great Wall of China. But it's not a Great Wall on the other side, and there's not a Hun invasive army waiting for us.
Yeah.
Of the rough framing is completed. We got to insulate. We've got electric that we're finishing up. Can lights going in. We're doing a split AC and heater unit on this wall. Obviously electric fireplace insert there. We've got a gaming kind of console built into the wall there for Xbox, things like that. Big 85-inch TV is going to be on a swivel bracket. If I'm the TV, I'm going to be able to be standing here, pull out from the wall, and the viewers can see this thing from the pool. You're going to be looking almost through a frame, which is the new windows, to the TV, through these giant slide-out doors.